I'm way up, I feel blessed. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Welcome to this channel, guys. My name is Wolf Lopez, and in this video, I want to talk about how to make crazy money with low cap altcoins. Okay, so this is a huge secret that a lot of beginner cryptocurrency enthusiasts don't know, and a lot of the pro cryptocurrency traders has that hashtag traders, also people who make crazy money. This is how they make their money. This is really how they make their money on cryptocurrency, and let me tell you the secrets, guys. I'm here to spill the beans. Okay, let's do this. So if you go to the CoinGecko or whatever you want to use, and you go here and you scroll down, down, and here's where interesting coins start to pop up. When you go to 2, 3, 4, 5, and etc. If you are on the top 100, it's very hard at this point of the bull run to make crazy gains. Okay, so let me tell you an example. Let's say for example, when the bear market was here in 2020, you could have bought anything basically, and at this point you are up a lot. But at this point of the bull run, you can't use that same strategy anymore. Okay, so what works back then on bear market doesn't work like here. You could buy, for example, let's say you buy VeChain. It can definitely go nuts, but it can't do the same kind of returns it already basically did, or it can. Sorry, it can. But look at here. If somebody has been accumulating VeChain at 0.004 to here, okay, that's insane. I mean, that's just absolutely monstrous gains. For example, look here, it's like 6,000% gains. Okay, so this is what we are looking for on this channel, and I believe I found this currency. By the way, I found this kind of peak, and I cover it in the golden ticket crypto. You can find it in the description. It's crazy, don't miss out. I just want to shield it here because it's crazy. It's absolutely insane opportunity, and I believe it's like buying Ethereum at $2, but check it out. Yeah, definitely. But anyway, so how people who make crazy money right now on crypto, how they do it? Well, what they do is they come on the CoinGecko, for example, and they go here. They go very deep. I mean, if you go 6-inch deep on this market, you can start shovel. But like it's the same thing. You get the shovel and you start digging. There's a lot of a lot of crap. Okay, you will face a lot of crap. You will just. Oh my god, so what you have to do, you have to be very knowledgeable when you come to here. You have to know, and really they take deep dive on the project and also on the markets, on how the project can. You basically have to know the fundamentals on how coin can go up a lot. Okay, so yeah, that's that, and I cover that all. If you're a beginner, or if you're a beginner or advanced cryptocurrency baller, this is for you. I want to shield this because this is such a crazy opportunity. But anyway, so when you come here and that's how you want to do the research. You come here and you just do the research. Okay, that's how you do it. But obviously I haven't done the research for you on these. I just want to shield them so greatly because they come from my heart. I believe this, what I have found, it will help so many people to understand where the cryptocurrency is going to next and what's going to happen next, and it's crazy. And yeah, and again, I'm going to give them for free. If you go to grocery store, you will not get the cheese there for free. You will just not. People have worked for the cheese and they want the profit. So same thing, I have worked for this, so I want the profit, right? So it's a no-brainer, right? So I give this free content, but there's also paid content for those who want to participate and want to make crazy returns. But even though that I'm not financial advisor, but I've been in cryptocurrency since late 2016, and this is the method how you do it on this part of the bull run. Okay, and you can do this method, by the way, even if it's a bear market. It doesn't matter. But for example, I know I have some friends who basically bought what they do is just crazy. I covered that, by the way, on the free thing here, so the underground crypto millionaire secrets. But I have learned from these guys, and it's crazy what they do. So all they do is research coins from here, like these very low cap coins. And when you buy a low cap coin, when the market, it's a low market cap, like here for example 30 million, you buy this and this goes to the top 100, you will make crazy amounts of money. I mean, just absolutely crazy amounts of money. But the point here is that how to find the projects that actually make those gains. Well, that's a skill set that you have to use a lot of, like, you have to have a lot of knowledge and like understanding of where the cryptocurrencies are going, and also what if the asset has value in itself. Like if it's an undervalued asset, like Warren Buffett talked and I talked about in a couple of videos back. I believe it was yesterday's video, but anyway. So if you think about that, if it's undervalued asset and if it's scarce in demand resources, if it's scarce and it's in demand because it's a resource, the price is very likely to go up. Okay, those, if you add the craziness of the bull run, so this is 2017 bull run, then there's bear market, then there's the little bull run here, and now we're consolidating here, and we are right here. Okay, and I believe what will happen is just crazy. We could go down here a little bit. No, not that's crazy. We would go down here a little bit, and then also whatever its case, I believe that we will just ultimately do the same kind of run up that in 2017, because back then this bull run, this was crazy. Everything was pumping, like, I mean, absolutely everything, and it was pumping so fast that I couldn't even imagine it. So, but I believe that the bull run that's coming is going to be crazy, and if you get the right peaks, if you get the right coins, you can make crazy amounts of money. For example, in 2017, I knew this guy, I knew this person who is now CEO of Token Metrics. This is a very good software, link in description to check it out. But anyway, so this guy used 20k, invested 20k, and he made 5.5 million with cryptocurrencies in 2017 bull run, 2018, and I believe that we have the same opportunity right now, and that's basically why I created these. That's the whole point here, because I want to share my knowledge that I have learned during these years of like all of the failure, all of the knowledge that I have learned I have accumulated, has now compounded, and I know so much. Like, I understand the cryptocurrencies a lot better, like the whole market in a way, and it's great. And yeah, so anyway, that's the whole key here. You want to go, you don't, like, if you have $1,000, like, don't you can definitely, I'm not, like I said, I'm not financial advisor, but if you like, even though Chainlink is such a good project, it can go only so far. So let me show you. So for example, if Chainlink gets like let's say it gets like Cardano's market cap, okay, you can get 5x. It's 5x. Okay, but when you go to here and low cap coins, you can get, like, I mean, 1000x, 100x. You can get crazy returns, but people call them risky. Of course, they're risky if you don't know what you're doing. Warren Buffett says that investing is not risky if you know what you're doing. Like, if you know what you're investing into. Like, it's risky if you just pick a gravel and, like, you know what I'm saying, if you shovel, you take something and then just slap money on it and hope that it will go up. Yeah, that's risky. I mean, that's crazy risk. So, but what about you do the shoveling, you go deep on here, and when you find something, you take it to the table and you look it with the magnifying glass in different angles, you think about it, and if you don't like it, you just throw it away and keep shoveling. I mean, yeah. So I believe that that's the key here. So if you have a low cap coin with good teams, good fundamentals, product that actually works, product that helps people, I mean, it's a great thing. It can go very far. Okay, so I just believe that, and that's what I wanted to share with you in the video. And definitely don't miss the golden ticket, because like, you know, cryptocurrencies move very fast. So when the golden ticket, so in that golden ticket, by the way, I show you the one cryptocurrency that I have found. Like, it's insane opportunity. It's like buying Ethereum at $2, and yeah, I believe that 100%. Just because I have done so much research, and also smart people are agreeing with me who are a lot smarter than me. So yeah, it's crazy. And yeah, you can still get that, but understand that when the FOMO begins for that coin, for example, or any of these low cap coins, they will go up so fast. They will go up so fast. It's insane. For example, one example here is this coin. Okay, so for example here, if you bought 0.004, 0.001, and like you can see here, 10,000% gains. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. So when you buy assets here, it's crazy. It's crazy. So you can still find these kind of assets, even though it's a bull market. But you know, yeah. Okay, I didn't. You can't see it. So sorry. So let me show you. So here, seller, and you can see here. So for example here, and you can see 10,000% gains. So you can still find these kind of assets even though it's a bull run, and the gains are going to come fast and it's going to be insane. But you just have to, the coin has to be very good. You can just buy anything. I'm not financial advisor. And anyway, thank you so much for watching. You can check out the golden ticket in the description. I'm shilling it, like hardcore shilling it, because I believe that the opportunity to get in at low price is getting further and further and further away. The price is increasing, people are catching up, people are just crazy FOMOing into it. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much and see you in the next videos.